Good morning from Punta Cana. We're here at the Majestic Colonial in Punta Cana. It's April 2022 and the weather has been fabulous this week. Just having a look at the dive shop. So while there are all kinds of options for pool view rooms, swim out rooms, ocean view rooms, not everyone's going to do the research or be willing to shell out the extra for those room categories. Right here you see some gorgeous oceanfront rooms. Over on the family side. So with that in mind, I figured I'd take a stroll behind the family side of this resort, away from the hustle and bustle of the pool and the beach, and show you where you may end up if you don't request specific room categories when you book. Back side of the Colonial Club side may look similar. I never made it back that way, even though we stayed on that side with a pool view room. So the first thing you may notice when you get back here, or at least what I noticed, were shade and quiet. Depending on your situation, these may be a plus for you. You can actually relax on the patio without SPF 600. If you have an infant, they may be able to have a nap with the patio door open and a breeze pushing through the screen door. A little bit of traffic back here for sure. You can see the balconies are pretty much in full shade. This is probably 11 o'clock in the morning. Even if you are on this side, I'm sure there's all kinds of cut throughs so you can quickly get to the pool, get to the buffet, not have to walk all the way around the resort. On the right there, that would be the resort next door, the same situation there. Rooms on the back side of the resort. Looks like there's 4 floors on this side. I can't remember if there's 4 on the front or not. So there on the left-hand side, that would be the buffet. It's a good buffet in the fact that it's all closed in, so you don't have to worry about birds. The air conditioning is going in there. It's not super strong, but I mean, it's better than eating outdoors for sure. Well, it is quiet and peaceful back here. I can only assume it's a steady stream of service trucks, carts, and employees getting things from point A to point B via the least congested route. Another assumption, bus stops perhaps for employees getting to and from their shift. Maybe someone let me know in the comments section if that's a thing that actually happens. Back end of the buffet, I assume, where lots of deliveries go in and out. Staff parking to the left, I assume. And maybe some guest parking. I guess if you did have a vehicle, you would have to park somewhere. We're just coming up to the main entrance here. The beautiful waterfall. Up to the left here is the Majestic Colonial entrance. And if you go down around to the right, that's the entrance for the Majestic Elegance. That's the way to go right there. Definitely worth the walk down to have a look, hang out, maybe have a cocktail. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. Please give it a like if you enjoyed. See you on the next one.